Warmer weather is reshaping the global food supply, not just in obvious ways like crop yields, but in a surprising and less discussed manner, by increasing the chances of foodborne illnesses such as Salmonella infections. But here's where it gets controversial. This isn't just about hotter temperatures. It's about a specific combination of heat, humidity, and daylight exposure that creates a perfect storm for bacteria growth and transmission. Recent research uncovers that the risk of contracting Salmonella surges when average daily temperatures climb above around 50 degrees Fahrenheit, or 10 degrees Celsius, and daylight hours extend between 12 and 15 hours. Alongside this, factors like increased moisture and specific dew point ranges play a critical role in this rise. This finding comes from a rigorous analysis led by Dr. Laura C. Gonzalez-Villeta at the University of Surrey's School of Veterinary Medicine, which uniquely connects confirmed Salmonella infections with local weather patterns in 2 European countries. Salmonella bacteria are notorious for causing food poisoning, characterized by symptoms such as diarrhea, fever, and stomach cramps appearing within hours or days after exposure. While most individuals recover without medical intervention, the infection remains a significant public health concern globally, particularly as climate patterns evolve. The researchers innovatively combined daily Salmonella case data from the UK Health Security Agency with detailed meteorological information sourced from the UK's Met Office, then validated their findings using national infection surveillance records from the Netherlands. By examining 14 environmental variables, including temperature, relative humidity, rainfall, sunshine duration, and dew point temperature, they avoided complex black box models. Instead, they calculated a conditional incidence, a straightforward measure that estimates the frequency of infections under certain weather conditions, making it easier to interpret and apply in real-world settings. Their approach revealed that the infection risk consistently increased when the average temperature surpassed about 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Days were longer, 12 to 15 hours of daylight, and the dew point stayed around mid-40s to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Interestingly, variables like wind speed, air pressure, and duration of sunshine showed little to no meaningful effect, which challenges some common assumptions. This clarity is crucial because it allows public health officials to anticipate when Salmonella outbreaks might spike based on recent weather, rather than waiting for often delayed laboratory confirmations. Why does the weather fuel these infection surges? Previous comprehensive studies, including a meta-analysis of 23 different Salmonella outbreaks, found that the risk increases by nearly 5% for every 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit rise in temperature. Europe's experience underscores this issue. Salmonella was responsible for nearly a third of all foodborne outbreaks in the European Union in 2018, a trend that persists today. Eggs and mixed food products are frequently implicated, which highlights common food safety vulnerabilities. So what does this mean for public health practice? Dr. Villeta emphasizes that understanding weather's role provides not just descriptive insights, but predictive power. Health authorities can use these findings to schedule timely food safety inspections, direct public hygiene campaigns, and prepare healthcare facilities to handle potential surges in infections. Food industry professionals can also adapt by enhancing cold storage protocols, boosting staff training during high-risk periods, and improving consumer guidance. Individuals are far from helpless, too. Simple actions such as ensuring cold foods remain refrigerated, cooking poultry and eggs thoroughly, refrigerating leftovers promptly within 2 hours, and maintaining rigorous hand and kitchen surface hygiene become especially critical during warmer weather and longer days. What sets this research apart is its innovative use of a conditional incidence model that captures complex, non-linear relationships between weather variables and Salmonella cases more clearly and transparently than traditional forecasting methods. This model successfully predicted seasonal peaks and mapped risk at precise geographic levels where daily decisions about food safety are made. However, the study is not without limitations. It relies on reported cases, which typically undercount the true number of infections. Though the evidence indicates the weather links are robust across different countries, Future research expanding to various climates and socioeconomic contexts, along with incorporating factors like livestock density, land use, and consumer behavior, could refine prediction accuracy further without making the model opaque. One might wonder, are we ready to rely heavily on weather-based early warnings for foodborne disease control? While such tools cannot replace foundational food safety practices, they offer a timely edge in adapting to the rising challenges posed by climate change, where hotter summers and prolonged warm seasons are becoming the norm. This groundbreaking study was published in the Journal of Infection and provides a fresh lens on how shifting environmental conditions shape public health risks linked to food safety. Now, here's a question for you. Should governments invest more in integrating meteorological data into routine food safety surveillance? Or is this an overcomplication that might distract from improving basic hygiene and food handling standards? Feel free to share your thoughts and experiences. Do you think weather predictions can genuinely transform outbreak management? If this analysis intrigued you and you want to stay updated with insightful stories and scientific breakthroughs, consider subscribing to our newsletter. Also, check out EarthSnap, a free app by Eric Rawls and Earth.com, offering daily inspiration and knowledge about our planet.